Hi there, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm doing a styling video and I'm going to be styling black loafers for you guys. For the first fit, I'm living my cute schoolgirl aesthetic dreams with a plaid red and black pleated skirt. I threw on a white singlet and an unbuttoned collared shirt for a more casual vibe. I paired the loafers with white ankle socks and threw on a mustard braid headband because I thought it really tied in with the gold accessories and added to the schoolgirl aesthetic. I also paired it with a red croc leather bag because I thought it matched the red tones in the plaid skirt. This fit is already pretty schoolgirl preppy to me, but if you really wanted to take it up a notch, you could always button up the collared shirt for a more schoolgirl uniform vibe if you like that sort of look. I feel like this outfit is pretty versatile, and to make it look a little more sporty and casual, I threw on a crewneck jumper. If you still want a cute preppy look without looking like a schoolgirl, I would recommend swapping out the plaid pleated skirt for a plain solid coloured pleated skirt. Unfortunately, I don't own one at the moment, so I'm going to stick with the plaid. For the next look, I just swapped out my pleated skirt for a pastel yellow pencil skirt and did a half top with my button-up collared shirt. I feel like this look is a little bit more sophisticated and trendy. I personally prefer cuter styles, so I unbuttoned the top for a more cute and casual fit. For a more corporate and business look, I swapped out my white blouse for a blazer. You could go for a more classic black blazer in a traditional corporate setting, but I opted for an oversized dusty blue blazer for a more fashionable and trendy style. For the next look, I decided to create a more chic street fashion look with the same oversized blazer. I feel like changing up the socks can create a whole different vibe, so I paired the loafers with some mid-cuff black socks. This look is pretty simple and cute, but I threw on some accessories to help elevate the look a little. The gold chain belt helps bring a little more shape to the body and add some extra detail to the solid coloured blazer. I also threw on a black sailor hat and a black side bag. I feel like the gold details in these pieces really help add a little something to the outfit. This next look still has that chic and street fashion vibe, but a little bit more casual. I paired the black knee-high socks and loafers with some blue denim shorts and a black tank turtleneck. This base is pretty basic, so honestly I feel like you could pair it with any coloured jacket, but I opted for an oversized plaid jacket to bring a little bit more colour back to the fit, and the oversized silhouette creates a more casual, effortless and cool look to me. To accessorize, I added a black belt with gold detailing, a red croc side bag, and some tortoiseshell cat eye sunglasses. I feel like the colours in the sunglasses and the red bag really complement each other. I actually don't really like the black belt with this look, but I accidentally added it and then realised it was meant to be for the next look. So we are finally going into pants territory. I feel like with the length of pants, loafers look a lot more stylish when worn without socks or no-show socks. I pretty much kept most of the elements in the previous look, but I swapped out my denim shorts for some light blue mum jeans. Once again, since this base is so simple and basic, you could probably change out the jacket for different styles or colours and it would most likely still look pretty decent. And those are all the different outfits I created styling my black loafers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.